Welcome to a demo of Vroozi Accounts Payable Invoice Automation.
Hi, today I want to show you Vroozi Invoice for Accounts Payable Automation. What we're going to do is show you the AI that helps us with invoices that come in through email and PDF. So where they've landed here for our AMI Accounts Payable Processor is in our Accounts Payable workspace. The system has tagged the items that I should be looking at. So I'm going to go and tag and look for my demo tags. And this is a way to organize your work list. So here's all the ones I use for a demo. Let's go down here to this one. This is an invoice that comes in through email, right? It's a PDF attachment, looks a lot like this. What we're going to do now is apply the artificial intelligence to read the words on the page. Now, emphasize read because once upon a time, you used to have to train a template and let the system know that this is over here, the date's over here, and shipping's over here. Well, now with AI, it reads keywords on the page and uses those keywords to define the Vroozi invoice for me on the right-hand side. So you can see here, we're place the data, okay, and then set that up for me as a Vroozi invoice. Now the system knows what to do next. I also want to point out here, on this particular invoice, they invoice us for 4 items, but there are actually 8 on the PO. Okay, so what the system also did for me, the AI, is it matched the invoice lines to the order lines. Okay, so here it's done the work for me. So if you have hundreds of lines on a PO and you're trying to match a single line to one of those hundreds, it takes a lot of time to do that. So the system's going to do that for me and then present me with the confidence level and a description if I want to see how it matched that. Okay, so now with that all set up, we can then send that off and have that approved and posted. Okay, so that's our PO example. Let me keep that for another day. And let's go back to the hopper here. Let's get a non-PO invoice. This is typically the most work for AP processors, right? Oftentimes we don't have all the information we need and we have to chase people down. Well, here's what the system's doing first for us. It takes, again, that PDF attachment from the email and it takes a look here. It says, well, is this historically a PO supplier? Kforce is new, so we don't know that yet. The second thing it does for us is it looks for potential POs that could match. Okay, this could be a case where a supplier said, I don't know the PO number or I don't want to put it on, right? So we're going to do those checks to make sure it really is a non-PO case. Okay, it looks like it is. So again, I apply the artificial intelligence. It reads the words on the page and again, sets up that invoice for me and places the data. Okay, but let's look down here. What it does here, since we don't have items from an order to bring over, right? What it's done for me here is it's taking the items off the page and placed them here for me. Okay, we're a spend management, spend tracking tool, right? We want to make sure you have all the categories of spend, everything you're spending your money on so you could track it. Okay, so we've done that for the user here. And then what we've done is we've coded this based on history. So here's all the accounting. We've seen this before. We know how to do the coding. In this case, we'll submit this for an approval process where it goes to the next approver based on your rules. So hopefully with those 2 examples, we had a PO example and a non-PO example. You see the power of AI to really reduce and automate the work for the AP processor here. Thank you for watching.